How's it going, everyone, and welcome back. Today we're finally replacing the taillights. So a little unboxing for you guys. The box obviously is already open. You guys know I had to open it right as I came home from work. They were sitting inside my house, so I was super pumped. But there they are. They are absolutely beautiful. And if you guys are familiar with Spec-D products, they are absolutely incredible. And the whole reason that I went with Spec-D rather than the SubiSpeed taillights, they look virtually the same. But with the SubiSpeed, the actual LED bulbs that you guys can see are going to be the sequential turn signal, and you can definitely see every single flash. While as with the Spec-D, the red bar is going to be a sequential turn signal, and I think this is going to match the V2 headlights that I already have on the car way better. Let's go right into the install. I cannot wait to put these on. I'm super pumped. So let's go to the trunk and let's begin. So now that we have part of the trunk liner removed, we're going to take off the, the plastic guard. So it's going to have 3 pop clips, one in the middle, 2 on either side. And I already have removed those. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic piece. So now that the plastic trim is removed, we can go ahead and start taking out the liner that holds the headlight in place or covers everything. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but it is going to be held on by pop clips, so definitely grab yourself a pop clip remover or a flathead screwdriver and that'll do just the trick. You don't necessarily have to take off the whole trunk liner, but for this video, that way I can show you guys and make it a little bit easier on myself, I'm going to remove the whole thing. Now that we have the trunk liner removed, we are going to be taking off 3 8mm nuts. One is going to be closest to my face right here. The other one's going to be on the top. And then the other one is actually going to be held right in place, right on top of that plastic. So let's remove that little plastic clip and then we'll be able to remove the 8mm nut. All right, now that we have those off, all we have to do is unplug this one clip right here, and we should be able to take it out. And then also, whenever you are removing it, make sure that you have a little bit of a deeper socket since the screws are pretty long. But let's go ahead and remove that, and we should be able to take out the whole taillight. And there we go. We have a stock taillight out. Here is the taillight, a little reflective, but let's go ahead and put it on. I did go ahead and get a little bit of spray and clean out all the corners. There was a lot of grime and buildup, so clean that off, and let's put these in real quick. All right, so we have the taillights in place. I went ahead and put the nuts back on and tightened them down. You really don't have to torque them down or tighten them really at all. They kind of just get really tight. And obviously everything being clipped back on, the taillight is definitely going to be secure. So now that we have the taillight in place, let's go grab the included wires and kind of plug everything up, and let's go to the back of the car and see what it looks like. All right, so everything is plugged in. The Spec-D taillights also do come with a set of resistors that go on either side of the taillights. It does go black to black and then red to yellow, and all you have to do is just plug them in and they are secure. And then you plug that resistor right on with the 3M tape provided already on the back, just onto a piece of metal. And are you guys ready for the reveal? Oh my goodness. That looks so much better. I'll obviously get some really good photos and some videos at the end of this. It's just on auto at the moment, so it's not really picking up the full details. But let me go right onto the other side and I'll pick this up in just a little bit. See you guys in a second. I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic. I think it really made the car and the taillights look really good. So let's just go through the functions real quick and I'll show you guys how the taillights work and the actual sequentials with both taillights in. But let's get right into that. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.